damn, this turbo is huge.
She let her run away from me. Souls on the bottom of the beach, she screamed. I'm so cold with no place to go home. Can never seem to face these things. She losing comfort in her space.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB aka Laneyy. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And this morning we are waiting for D in his R33. He's pulling up right now, and we're gonna be on our way to Hot Pit Auto Fest. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's a drift event. I'm excited to see some drifting, get inspired, see some cool cars at the car meet. Susie, for the first time, is actually going to be featured in the show at a booth. So she's never been featured, so I got her all washed, all clean as I can get her. She's warming up right now, all the white smoke coming out. I don't know what that means, but whatever. So D's car will be there and Susie together, like we always are at every meet. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get on our way. My guy put up with that shit, man. Oats. Quick pit stop. D's here, we're here. They're getting McDonald's. Baby, we getting Starbucks or what? Peep the fit, check me out, stop playing. You said what? That's you now. This me? Yes, sir. God damn, this turbo is huge. RB30?
Yeah. Is this RB30? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Damn.
I'll show you the wheel.
I'll see which one I like.
Golly. Jesus. Bro, look what he got right here.
Those are the dump tips for the wastegate.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
It's also running a sequential gearbox.
Sequential?
Yeah, you can see that.
It's like I know.
And the Caros. Oh, bro. Are these Defenders kind of like the style you want?
That's the Defender I want. Yeah.
Is that like Z-Tune or something?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I knew it was the RB30 because it's sitting so
high, huh?
Big.
Are you gonna get, what is one of these, like a trigger kit?
Trigger kit,
yeah. You're gonna, you
got
need
the carbon fiber.
Oh, I've never seen a carbon fiber. This is pretty much fully built, like it's done. You can't get much better than this. This is top of the line. This is the one that had caught on fire while I was spitting flames, like it. So this car was in a two-step comp, and bro, how fast is it exhaust? Damn. And it blew its exhaust off and caught the whole car on fire. Yeah, you want an Evo? I'll get you an Evo to drive. This thing is, I know the wrap on it is crazy. It looks so good, and it sounds great. The way the sun hits the color is crazy. Oh yeah, definitely after the R33 GTR, we'll get an Evo. Listen to it. I can smell the E on it. These things are fun too. These are the practice runs. We're watching them warm up, getting their cars dialed in. This makes me want to drift. You gonna buy me a drift car? enough of the practice runs. Hopefully more cars pulled up, and as it looks like they did. Wide body 35 and the C8 that we see at a lot of the meets. The M3, the homies M3. Pretty sick with this little wrap on it. Like the rusted, like metal kind of wrap. Looks pretty hard. Ooh, and the Liberty Walk 35. Dang, this is crazy. Super clean. And the color is crazy. Got his R32 right in the middle of everybody so everybody can see it. With the Paul Walker inspired wrap. If you guys haven't seen Skip's car, he's got the little donut in there. He's had that in there since the day he got it. If you guys don't know this, his car shoots crazy flames and they loud as hell. So maybe we'll get some of that later today, who knows? And then, so I heard this 370 right here is pushing some P's. We seen this one at the AFE meet not too long ago. Clean wide body, nice work wheels. 370 Nismo, clean. And then my boy got his 400 out here in the same type of wrap as the M3. Just a little different color. Clean, 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 clean.
Now we're back to another video, you guys. Miss Laneyy here. We got this nice. I don't know if he recorded already, but I'm recording it again. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. And we're done. Oh.
Alright y'all, today the day has finally come. We officially bought the R33 GTR and it is in midnight purple. I know I wanted silver, but here it is. Brand new car. I know it looks a lot like these, but I promise it's not these. It's actually TYBs. Oh. My boy trying to steal my vlog. Oh, watch out. Watch out. So we're walking the pits right now to see what kind of car is out here. Got TJ's 370. It was taking a beating in the practice runs. There's a lot of 370s. Oh, he has like the Nismo and like inlet ducts. The bands right here. For those who like the bands. I ain't too big on the bands, but they cool though. And you know what this is. You know we gotta show love to this. This is Supra with the non-DVTi 2JZ GTE. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's so good. And then here's the Beamer that was out there really swinging that. He was really going crazy. Yee, this thing is clean. I think this is probably my favorite drift build here. The wheels look super good. And he got the side exit. My boy finna be a vlogger one day.
Don't run up on it.
Interior is so clean, bro. This is goals right here. Trailer, little setup right here to fix the car. Come on, baby, we need this. Where are you going? I need you to co-sign. Here's the interior. That thing is fucking fire.
We got earplugs.
Uh-huh.
I got a talkie button right here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we got helmet air. So
You said helmet air?
You got air conditioning?
Well, it's just,
Oh, just like a little breeze.
it's colder than it is in here.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming from back here from my vents.
Okay. That's freaking. I would have never thought.
yeah.
I would have never thought to try to put a two for a little bit of breeze in here.
Anything going on? Jump in there if you want.
You can jump in?
Yeah, I don't think
What
you
the?
can.
Let me see.
It's your worst thing.
So one foot in, and then just flop yourself in there. Just pour yourself in. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I need to lose some weight.
Can you let me see?
Yeah, I
It's
feel
built for me.
It's a little stiff, but I feel.
Well, all this race equipment is made to minimize your discomfort. Not to give you comfort, just minimize the discomfort.
This is
Hey, do me a favor and turn the wheel all the way to the right. Put the steering wheel on.
I would have done the same thing. I would have just grabbed the thing.
There you go. Now you lock it. Okay. It's gonna be heavy, but turn it all the way right. Damn. Okay, stop. See, you're already a crew member.
Better give me a right? What in there? That looks like my side.
If I take the steering wheel off,
squeeze. Yeah. We need to get into this. What's up with
You've
it?
been busy. With nothing. And I was recording all of the cars.
I've been in the drift car.
Yes.
Here is a full carbon R35. Front lid, front bumper, grill, hood, fenders. Maybe not the door, but it could just be wrapped. Quarter panel, trunk, rear bumper with these fat ass exhaust tips, fat APR wing, full carbon. What?
I like this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Oh, this is not a thumbnail. Yikes. And here's a Mark III Soupy. Show some love to the Mark IIIs. These don't really get that much love, kinda, because they're pretty ugly, I ain't gonna lie. Still a super though, we still love it. But Mark III's not the best looking. I'll take an FC RX-7 over a Mark III. I ain't never seen a Kia Stinger that looked this good in my life. It's got a whole little wide body kit. If this were to pull up, I wouldn't even think it was a Kia Stinger. This shit right here pretty clean. He pulled up when we pulled up. I don't know what the hell I'm looking at, but there's a lot going on right here. Is it Pro charged? Is it Pro charged? It's charged. Something's charged in this motherfucker. Big wing though. That's her favorite kind of wrap right here. A little Lodi. A Lodi with the glitter wrap. Another wide body, or no, it's not wide body. It's just a bag 35. This Lotus pretty cool. I thought it was a C8 from far away. I walked past this and I didn't even see that it was 2J swap. So this thing just got 10 times cooler. It's got a fat ass wide body kit on it. Big old wing. The trunk a little ashy, but this all good though because it's got the 2J in here. What I'm trying to do is trying to go for a ride along so I can get in the car for y'all and let y'all know what it's like to be in a drift car, and so I can experience too and get really motivated so we can build one of these mugs. But yeah, I gotta change the GoPro battery first. I'm going over here revving this shit. I don't know if there's flames though. Damn, that's crazy. All right, y'all, switch to the phone so I can get some zoom action for y'all.
Say I got a loaf, we can get away. Teslas.
All right, y'all, I know y'all see the bomb right there, the little G35. We are officially going on the ride along. We're gonna go drifting, see what it's like sitting in that back seat and you know, just get a little bit of adrenaline rush. We're gonna take y'all with us. And I'm excited. It's my first time ever drifting or being in a car while it's drifting, like officially, like, you know what I mean? Besides doing donuts in the back or whatever back street we're doing it. So should be fun. Let's get it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you suited and booted now. You got your kangaroo pouch all out and shit. All right, y'all, let's get it. Let's get it, let's go crazy, bro. Woo! Oh yeah, we out here. Yeah, yo, that was crazy fun. I'm not gonna lie, I freaking banged my head on the roll bar. That was probably the most fun I've had in a long time. So we officially need a drift car. Don't know when or how it's gonna happen, but we'll speak it into existence and we'll get it done. My boy heading out. We trying to head out soon. I'm exhausted. We woke up at 5 in the morning for this and we didn't get off work until 11. I'm exhausted, I'm drained, I'm sunburnt. So that's probably gonna be the end of this video. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family, and always remember to keep it player. All right, y'all, we made it out. My boy Skips 32. Yeah, that shit loud, hell yeah.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.